Sunlight that always stays, dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross. Made some dude crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while. I'm living that high life.
Okay, so back in the day, everybody was on the blogs and the forums trying to figure out how in the world they're gonna take care of their natural hair, right? And I wanna say, maybe around the time that Chris Rock's documentary came out, people were starting to be like, you know what I really want? I really want a natural wig. Y'all please excuse my voice, I'm still getting over a little bit of a cold, but so there really wasn't a lot of good quality, dependable vendors that were coming out with natural texture 4C, girl, where? No way, not back in those days, no. It was something that you did with Marley hair and make it happen, right? So I remember HerGivenHair being one of the first companies that came out with natural textured wigs. So I want to give a shout out to them because, like, who would have thought? I say all that to say, if God would just grant me, Lord, please, if you're listening out, if God would just grant me the thickness and the volume, I'll take care of the rest. I will trim consistently, I promise. Deep condition, treatments, steamers, whatever. Just give me this thickness. This unit has come pre-bleached. The cap construction is what I'm the most excited about. So the cap construction is as such that this will be a middle part worn wig, okay? But as you can see, this area is going to be wefted. There is adjustable straps to make sure that she fits on your head. There is a bra strap adjustable band on the inside of the cap, and that is to make sure that you have a smooth and seamless fit, no gaps in your lace, honey. And one thing they really pride themselves on is that every single strand, every curl is the same from the root to the tip. So that is a consistent curl and you have consistent texture all over the wig. And the reason why I like this is because I want to get back to being able to put on a wig and go. You know, that's the allure of synthetic wigs. You see the girls are going crazy about synthetic wigs like they just came out yesterday, honey. But anyway, the thing about synthetic wigs are you put that wig on and you leave. You don't really have to do anything to it, and you don't have to glue it down if you don't want to. So this is a completely glueless cap, and I really do appreciate that. Now I never wanna go. So I've adjusted the wig and everything feels nice and smooth. I'm debating whether I'm gonna go completely glueless with this because I really do believe I could. Here are the curly edges. They're a little bit tight now because I haven't applied any product, any water or anything. And I think that's all I'm gonna use. Maybe a little mousse, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to cut the lace on this unit and clip all this beautiful gorgeousness up out my face. Ooh, y'all real close, hi. But yeah, I'm going to clip this out of the way and then I'm gonna cut the lace. Sweet life, sweet life, sweet life. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. So now that the lace is cut, I'm gonna go in with my lace powder and I'm going to hook up this part. That always stays in about the waterway. It's that. So that's it. Once you put the wig on, it's basically installed. It's glueless and you can do whatever you want with it. Now's the time to try out all the styles that you would like to do with it. Now me, I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm going to hydrate the wig and then I'm going to see the curl pattern that it is first. So the cool part is that after the wig is really hydrated, you get to see the true texture, and from there you can determine how you want to wear your wig. I believe that I'm going to wear this like this, slightly defined. I will add a little bit of mousse, or you can wear it in the texture that it came, which is a lot less defined, more frizzy, but a lot bigger. I'm thinking about it, and now that I've hydrated the hair and I can see these cute little adorable tendril curls, I've made the decision that instead of mousse, I'm gonna go in with this Big Papa defining gel. This gel I love to bits. I use this on my daughters all the time. It is super moisturizing, super hydrating, yet super defining, and it doesn't leave a cast. Okay, all right, so I tried my best to get most of the moisture out of the wig because I love big fluffy hair and I like defined curls, so sometimes that mess don't go together, child. But I think I managed to get it. I'm going to not frizz up this hair. That's what I'm not gonna do. See, look what I've already done. Because when the hair is completely dry, that's when you can fluff it out, and that's when you can get the height that you want. But you know what? That might be second, third day hair. It might not happen today. I'm trying to also be very careful in taking these clips out, because as the hair air dried, I thought I was gonna let the hair air dry, but that was gonna take too long. I know with my natural hair that if I'm going to wear a wash and go, you got to be some kind of control. You can't just let the hair just air dry because it's gonna go everywhere. So sometimes I put some clips in very strategic places. So I really want to keep this in this cute style that it came in. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to pick out a little bit on the bottom so I can have more of that shape that I really like.
Don't let the street lights hit you. Can I be your player too?
So I didn't do much with the baby hairs except kind of use some gel to pull them out because they were so close to the roots of this hair and I wanted to see them. And it just makes everything look so natural. So if you were going to put your hair up, you can go like that. Nobody will bat an eye, girl. People are gonna be chasing you down the street to try to figure out what your routine is. Super natural. And I'm not talking about just an apples, girl. So I wanna say the hair is a good 98% dry. It's mostly dry. I feel a little dampness. Oh, okay, never mind. Maybe 99% dry, y'all. But that's it, and this wig is completely glueless. I don't know how to keep my off-the-shoulder shirts off the shoulder. How y'all do it? Some tape. Anyway, I'm about to show you the profile of the hair. Here's the cut.
If a paper crane can fly, then forever doesn't feel that far.
I don't know what it is. It's something about natural hair. A good cut, like a good shape on natural hair, it just gives youthful radiance. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Thank you, HerGivenHair, for sponsoring this video and sending me this gorgeous wig so I get to try it out. And I'll talk to you guys later. If you guys have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments and I'll get back to them as soon as I can. I love you guys and I'll talk to you later. Bye!
Living for weekends, wish break from this world.